This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, just to let you know, the conference is getting recorded. This will be for your training and review purposes. After the class is over, I'll be sharing the content with you along with the recording. Now let's begin the class. As I told you, there are 3 thumb rules. Number 1, go on mute. Number 2, please make sure that you don't have any active uploads or downloads. Please make sure that your wireless router is completely dedicated to your internet connection. Avoid using WhatsApp or your YouTube or any type of live streaming that you might be connected with your mobile phone to your wireless router. Now, this is just to make sure that you have a complete bandwidth available for the class so that all the voice as well as the screen moves smoothly. Next, ask doubts. Remember that you are not here for what I'm teaching. You're here for what you're learning. So don't hesitate to ask any doubt that comes to your brain, right? So don't hesitate. There's the third thumb rule also, tells you that be proactive, right? Don't think whether any doubt is wrong, right? Shall I ask? Shall I don't ask? What trainer will think? What others will think? Don't think about all these things. Let your peers, your neighbor, go to hell. In Telangana, there is a saying that Pakkorni Gangalavoni, right? The same principle applies in my class. Let your peers and other colleagues go to hell. You take care of yourself. If you have a doubt, raise it. I'm not a trainer who will say that, okay, you're disturbing the class. Okay, you're asking too many doubts. No, not at all. It is your class. You have the complete liberty and rights of admission to knowledge reserved in my class. Next, anything which you feel that facilitate you in learning, please go ahead. You can record the class. You can take screenshots. Whatever you want to do it. You don't need my permission to ask me, can I record this? Can I record that? You have a complete freedom to do anything whichever you feel it's feasible for you to learn, right? So these are a couple of thumb rules before we proceed. So now let me before I introduce myself, I would just like to know your background. I mean, what you're doing, what you're not, right? And then we will start a quick snapshot of your past, a little bit on your education, right? And your work. I'm just looking your education and work. That's it. So if you can start earlier, faster, whoever do that, that'll be great.
Rupam, can I start?
Yeah, go ahead, Vijay. No problem.
Yeah. Myself, Vijay Bhaskar Reddy, and I did my MBA in 2002. Later, I worked in as a marketing executive.
Okay.
And then switch over to SAP CRM consultant.
Okay. And how long you have been working?
Since 2007, I am working as a CRM consultant.
That's good. Thank you, Vijay, for
Yeah, yeah.
your intro and your experience. That's a good one. It's a long experience,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Next, who's next?
Hi Rupam, this is Dilip. I'm a graduate in mechanical engineering. So recently, a year back, I finished my master's in mechanical engineering from Lawrence Tech, which is located in Michigan. So I'm presently staying in the United States.
Mhm.
So right now, I'm in search of a job,
Okay,
maybe either in IT field or non-IT field.
okay,
So yeah, this is my introduction.
that's it. That's really good. Thanks. All right, Dilip. Next.
Arupam, this is Venkatesh.
Okay,
So I have done my MCA in 2001, and
okay,
afterwards I worked as a technical consultant in non-SAP. and from 2004 onwards, I'm a technical consultant. I worked in a couple of models like ICU, then SAP CRM, then SD. All those models
Okay.
I work as a technical consultant. And
Hmm.
from 2008 onwards, working as an SAP CRM functional consultant.
Okay, that's really good. Right. Thank you. Right.
Hi, this is Pallavi speaking. I've completed my BTech in 2012 and I've worked for Wipro for 2.75 years as a data stage developer and support team. Uh, uh, I haven't worked since 2015, and till the last minute, I didn't even think of joining it. My brother is the lead Freddy, and he was joining it. I the last spur of the moment, I just thought, why shouldn't I join? So I have
Okay.
joined it. I have no idea of the Salesforce and all.
Okay.
I'm going to listen it now.
Definitely, yes. I mean, yeah, very frankly, that's the right decision, right? I'm not telling you to, I'm not telling in a sense to make you join this course, right? It's
Yeah,
completely at your discretion. But however, that's a great step that you have taken. Okay. Okay.
yeah.
So let's move to the next candidate. Who's this? I see that one more person there. There are two more people.
Hi, this is Gayatri.
Okay, Gayatri. So what's your background? I mean, what you have done and
So
education?
basically, my background is from Java. So I
Okay.
just have an experience of 1 year into the Java, and
Okay.
Salesforce is all new to me.
Okay. Okay, that's a good one. Thank you. Right. I
Thank
still
you.
see one more, but I don't know the name. Okay, let's go ahead and start. Once again, the three thumb rules, right? Mute. Second one, ask as much as doubt you can, right? Because you are new to subject, you don't know. Anything that comes in your brain, don't even think left and right, just shoot the question, right? So let's go ahead and start. Now, to introduce myself, my name is Rupam Chakravarti, right? And by the way, that is my real name. Okay. I'm a real-time working professional. You can see that there are a lot of things on the screen at this moment, and I believe that everyone can see my screen here, right? I don't know that I can understand that you don't have a complete time to read all these things. But remember one thing, if you don't join my class, not a problem, but join somewhere where the trainer is real time, right? If a trainer is really working, you get the real subject. Now, the first thing is that everyone keeps on saying that he is a real-time trainer. You go to, there's a hub called Amirpet in Hyderabad where you find a lot of institutes there. Every trainer will keep on saying that, hey, I'm a real-time, I'm working in real time. From morning, to evening onwards, he keeps on taking batches. Morning to batch, again evening to batch. I don't know what time they go to office, but still they call themselves as a real-time trainer, right? Now today, what we'll do is that I will leave the PPT because PPTs are made by me. I can put a lot of things here. We will go by the reality on the ground. We will talk about what exactly the subject is. Do I get a job after this course? Will this course suits to me? Will I be able to achieve a job in this whole after completion of this course? Will I get a job or not? What's my career progression? Right? How fast I can get a job? How much assurance you can give me after this course? All these we will not talk on the slide, but I'll be showing you live, practical, which even you can search it. Now, once again, coming back to me, as I told you, my name is Rupam Chakravarti. I'm a real-time trainer. I'm also a certified trainer, a Salesforce certified trainer and Microsoft certified trainer. I am a 9.8 GPA A++ trainer. Every trainer is measured in the score of 1 to 10. I score 9.8, my gross percentage aggregate, right? I have 1700 official hours of training. The training doesn't include the training that I'm taking here or I take in Amirpet classes, right? These are all illegal trainings. These are not authorized trainings. These are something like a tutorial classes. Because after the training is over, will I give you a certificate? No, I will not. It is just that you're learning the subject, and you will never even encounter that you learned from me or learned from some institute. You'll never put those in your resume, right? I have 1700 official hours of training, which includes I have taken training for HCL Technologies, I have taken training for Accenture, Tech Mahindra, Capgemini, right? Recently I have taken training for, you know, Cognizant CTS, right? I'll be going for taking a training for TCS in the next month, right? In the month of April, I'll be going to TCS for taking the training. So these are the official trainings that I'm taking, right? Along with that, right? I'm also working for a very big multinational company, right? As a solution architect. From 2007 onwards, I'm on Salesforce. It's almost 10 years that I've been working with Salesforce. You might be thinking, 10 years? Salesforce? He might be faking. No, that's the reality. I'll show you that whether I'm working, whether I'm a real-time trainer or not, right? Everything today we will see. Whatever I say in the class, right, is been recorded. Whatever I'm showing in the class will be in reality, not on the PPTs. I am working for a big project where I have about, you can understand, 3 lakh end users, 250K end users. So you can understand that how much big project I'm handling. So my project, the end users are 2.5K, right? So 250K, sorry, not 2.5K, 250K, 2.5 lakhs end users are there, right? Now, I know that you're not here for me on my introductions and everything, so let's skip it. But in case if you'd like to ask me some questions, you're definitely, you can feel free to do so. Any given time, unmute your mic and ask questions. Now, let's get into the subject, right? This is my introduction, right? So let's get into the subject. Today, we talk about cloud computing, right? You might have heard this word called cloud, 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 cloud. What exactly is a cloud? Let's understand this basic first. Cloud is nothing but any solution that is provided via internet. Today, you see that a traditional architecture, right? Wherever you go, right? A traditional architecture or a topology is one server. In the server, you have an application, and from the server, a cables is laid, right? A network or a LAN, local area network, and all the systems connected, right? The user log into the system, they open the application, they install the application in the local machines, the machine connects to the server, the data is stored in the server. This is the typical architecture that you see in any application usage, right? That's the reason when you go to the bank, they say server is down. You go to the bank, yeah, it's not network is down, server is down. These are the words that you keep on hearing. One server down, the whole office get closed because that's where the application is hosted. It's serving. Now, this is limited to a local area network. Outside the office, the application doesn't work because it is, the network connection that they have established. A dedicated line is being drawn to the client machines. In cloud, the concept is that why a dedicated line? Why can't we think beyond LAN, local area network? Why can't we use public internet as a cable to access applications? Why should we invest, in local area networks, one server, why only one server? Why not 10 server? If one server is down, the other server can start. You talk about Facebook. Do you see Facebook is down anytime? No. You have heard about results, Indian results, declaration of result. Or let's talk about Indian Railways, Tatkal ticket. You log in at 10 o'clock in Tatkal ticket through an IRCTC website. Were you able to book a tickets? No, it is so slow. You click on book ticket, it keeps on rotating. By the time you book ticket, you're already in waiting list 10. By the time you see, it shows available 20. And by the time you book ticket, you're already in waiting list 10. Why so? It says server connection not available, page refresh, too many. Think about Indian Railways. How many people logs to Indian Railways? 100, 10,000, million? Or all the Indians? Yes, let's assume that all the Indian open their laptop at 10 o'clock, they log into Indian Railways IRCTC website for booking a ticket, right? And the IRCTC site chokes, it fails, there's a latency, the server is not able to serve the request. Now think about Facebook. How many people are logged in the Facebook at a given time? Is it only from India? No. You see that worldwide people are logged in Facebook. Do you see that Facebook is rotating, rotating, and rotating? You never see a latency. Why? What is that? What is the magic that Facebook is doing, and what the magic the IRCTC cannot do? That's the biggest question that you should ask if you're in a technological partner, right? Only India logs in, the IRCTC site fails, chokes, it dies. But whereas millions and billions of people are logged in Facebook, but still it's able to give the services to everyone without any complaint, right? Mobile device, laptop device, PDAs, so many things. Some people are streaming the videos on Facebook. Somebody is posting a pictures. Here is just a ticket booking. No data, no big data. It's not a video that is moving on the IRCTC website. It's just a ticket. Secunderabad to Tirupati, Narayandri Express on this date, book. Just simple 2 or 3 data movement happening, and the IRCTC site failed. Right? We will talk about this later in our classes. But just to give you an example, that's where the cloud computing comes into picture. In cloud, all these applications are served via internet. There are 3 types of cloud modules available called software as service, platform as service, right? And infrastructure as service, right? Whenever you offer a software over the internet, we call them as SaaS, software as service, right? Today on cloud, you can offer application, you can offer storage, you can offer development environment, you can offer, hardware resources, infrastructures, you can offer hosting cloud, application cloud, storage cloud, development cloud. You can offer any type of IT infrastructure over the cloud. For example, HP is offering storage cloud, Dell is offering storage cloud, Microsoft is offering, IBM, they're offering storage cloud, right? Google Drive is a storage cloud where you can store all your photographs from your phone, sync to your Google Drive automatically, right? If you set it okay. Now you lose the phone, no problem. You can download the photographs from laptop any corner of the earth. You need not to have a pen drive to save, or a drive to save your photographs and videos in a local machine, saved on the cloud environment, right? Cisco is offering you networking cloud, right? Virtualization cloud by VMware. Amazon is offering a hosting cloud. If you want to host any type of e-commerce portal, website, or any applications, you can use AWS, Amazon Web Service. Today, everybody is offering cloud. In a cloud, they're offering storage, music cloud, storage cloud, this cloud, that cloud. Salesforce is a development cloud. It is not only an application cloud, it is also a development cloud. Basically, Salesforce is a CRM application, customer relationship management. Now, what is a CRM? Question raises. Broadly, CRM is a module of ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. You might have heard this word everywhere, ERP. Enterprise Resource Planning. Now, what is this ERP? What is this ERP? Let's understand. E stands for enterprise. What is enterprise? Whenever you walk on the road, you see the shop name, Ravi Enterprise. If you just walk in a market, you'll be able to see the steel shop, the gift shop names as enterprises. Ravi Enterprise, Ram Enterprises, Asiatic Enterprise. So by the word enterprise means shop, business, company, organization. Resources. What are the resources required to run a business, to run an enterprise? Tell me, what are the resources you need? Faster, if you can count those resources. If you want to open a new shop or a new business, what are the resources you need? First, anybody can unmute the mic, guys.
Maybe a
Shopkeeper,
place to
Sorry?
Shop, the people resource wise is shopkeeper.
No, anything, but start in a serial order, right? What are the resources you need to start a business? That can be a shop business, it can be a restaurant business, it can be a manufacturing unit. Tell me, what do you need?
Entrepreneur. First,
Right?
entrepreneur.
And
I mean the
entrepreneur is what are the resources you need? One is, okay,
Maybe a
entrepreneur.
place.
Will you start with the place first? Think
Yeah.
over.
A place to lease or buy for himself.
Do you have the money first?
Yeah,
Tell me.
investment.
Yes.
The first thing for anything is rokra, cash, dabbu, money.
Hmm.
If you don't have this, you can't think anything. First thing is that I want to open a shop or I want to open a factory. I need investment. Who are my financer? Is it bank is going to give me finance? Let's assume that I trust you guys and I give you 70 lakh cash, all with 2,000 rupees notes in a bag. Immediately you will get an energy. So the first resource for any enterprise is finance. Now second, what is the second resource you need? Go ahead. I'll correct it if it's wrong.
We need to think what the type of a business we are going to do.
Right? Exactly. What type of business? So you need to have a plan, a planning. Okay, I want to open a pen manufacturing company. I want to open a restaurant. So you need to plan. Or, okay, what type of restaurant I should open? Is it a Chinese? It's a Mughlai? It's a this? Whatever it is. Planning. The third resource is you have to open. The third resource is your resources, right? You need to take required permission. You need to look on the facility, the place. If you want to open an institute, you would see that it's a road facing, right? A premises area. If you want to open a factory, you will see somewhere outskirts of the city. You will try to take a land in a lease for 50 years, 100 years, according to your plan. How many years you think that this business will last? So what would be the feasible? So third is your resources, infrastructure, right? Fourth is your, right, it includes all your machineries and everything. Fourth is your manpower. Now your infrastructure is ready. Your restaurant, your classrooms, let's say that institute is ready. You have all the AC fit, chairs are there, classes there. Now you need the reception, you need the trainer. So that's the manpower. Once you have a manpower, you need the raw material now. So if it's a production company, to manufacture a pencil, you need the wooden pulp, you need the graphite for the nib, right? Pencil nibs. So you need the raw material. Once you have the raw material, you can start your production. You have to plan your production in batches. How many shifts, how many employees, right, will work what time? After that, your product comes out. Now, when your product comes out, you need to have storage, a warehouse where you can store your goods. From there, you need SD, right? Sales and distribution. You need to distribute your product to the market. Just keeping the product at your godown doesn't work. You have to take your product to Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi, all the India. There should be a distribution agency who takes your product and reaches the market. Is your business is over? No. After the product reaches to the market, somebody has to buy your product. That is your customer. So you need to have a customer. For that, do you feel that the distributors will put an ad in the TV? No. You have to pitch up the marketing. You have to hire Katrina Kaif, all right, and you have to make her dance in a TV with your pen or with your training classes, saying that, hey, I'm Katrina and I have joined a cloud computing. Are you guys joining? If you put an ad in the TV, please contact this number. People will start calling. They will know about your product. You have to put banners, posters. So to run a business, you require finance. And in SAP, I will take an SAP example because most of you, few of them are from SAP. You have a module called as FICO, SAP FICO, Finance and Controlling. So to control all your finance, you need a software. Can you manage your finance on paper? Right? You are taking loan from the bank. There are distributors who have taken the product from you. They have not paid the complete amount. After they sell the product, then they will come after 45 days to pay the amount. You have to pay taxes to the government, electricity, running costs, bills, salaries, so many things. Can you maintain in a paper if you run a big company? No. You need a software, an application. SAP is offering a solution, an ERP solution to maintain your finance called as FICO, finance controlling. Same way, to maintain your production, right? You have the production management, PLM, production and plant management, right? To maintain your, human resource, right? Your employees, you have an application called as HR, SAP HR, Talio, right? I'm giving you other success factor, right? You have lot of HR application. Workday, today Workday is there. Workday, you might have heard. I'm giving you the name of some applications other than SAP also. Workday is an HR application where you can maintain all your employee details, hierarchy, promotion, performance appraisal, their bonus, benefits, leaves, everything planning. You need a software to do that. Your answer is SAP HR. Similarly, after the production is over, you need to distribute your product. So you have SAP SD, sales and distribution, right? Similarly, you have your customer who buys the product. Tomorrow, if your customer is not happy, they will never buy your product again. You need to maintain your customer because you are giving a warranty in your product. There should be service center. Do you feel that the distributors will open the service center? No. It is you, your company. You have to open the service centers in all location. All this product has to be serviced. And you need an application called as CRM, customer relationship management. That's where you maintain your sales, service, and marketing. You want to put an ad in the TV. How much investment I have made? What is the ad? How much minute it is running? All these are maintained in an application called as CRM. Salesforce by default is a CRM application. By default, Salesforce is a CRM application. Now, in market, everybody is offering CRM. Salesforce is offering CRM, right? SAP is offering CRM. Microsoft is offering CRM. Sugar is offering CRM. Sugar CRM, right? You have Oracle is offering CRM. You have so many CRM available in the market. Why only Salesforce? Question raises. Why shouldn't I learn SAP, right? It's something like today, if you want to buy an LED TV, right? Samsung is offering LED TV, Toshiba is offering, View is offering, right? LG is offering, everybody is offering LED TV, 59, 49 inches. Which one will you buy? On your mouth, you have only 2 or 3 names: Sony, Samsung, LG,
Uh,
Panasonic, right?
Rupam, sorry to inform your PowerPoint is not able to see. We are not able to see PowerPoint.
Guys, you are not able to see? What about
Yeah,
others?
now we are able to see your Google one.
Okay,
Okay.
that's good. So I'm going to Google now. So what I'm going to do is that today we will see why Salesforce. What is there in Salesforce, right? Why not others? Why not SAP CRM? Why I should shift my career from SAP CRM, right? Let's take an example, right? Top TOP, top CRM software. I'm just going to Google. I'm typing top CRM software. I scroll down. These are the sponsored. You can see ad. I'm not opening any ads. I will open all the 10 links today and we will see what is the Google talks about. Let's see in practical, right? Is it the Salesforce is on the top list, right? Which are the best 2019, 2018 CRM software? I'm opening all the links. Right click, open a new tab, right? Right click, open a new tab. Okay, there we go. Sorry, I made a single click there. Right click, open a new tab. Right click, open a new tab. Right click, open a new tab. You can see that Salesforce is, by the way, best CRM software. You can see Salesforce is already leading. It's on the top, right? I go to the second page, right? I scroll down. I open all the link that's there in the page to open a new tab. Right click, 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 open a new tab. That's it. So I've opened, you can see that I have opened lot of links here. Now let's go one by one and see what the Google is talking about, right? The first link I open, the best CRM software, Zoho CRM, read this. Do you see Salesforce? Okay, I see the name of the CRM which I've never even heard. Agile CRM. Okay. Oh, Dynamics CRM. There we go. SAP CRM is there, right? Do I see Salesforce anywhere? Oracle CRM is there. I'm going down. I'm still looking down. Okay. Looks like that our Salesforce CRM is not listed here. Negative. Down. Let's go to the second link. I go ahead. I see that, right? Let's scroll up and see, right? Which are the top CRM software, right? Do I see Salesforce anywhere? Yes, it's on the second rank. Salesforce Essentials. Whereas your SAP is on the rank 9th. You can see that, right? SAP is rank 9. Microsoft is on rank 8, right? In the top second, you can see that Salesforce is listed on top second, right? It is on the second one, Salesforce, right? So that's good. 1 minus 1 plus. Let's go to the next link. Looks like it's the same one. So let's close it. I opened it twice. Third link. Let's see, right? You can see that Salesforce, Zoho is the first, Salesforce is the second. That's good. Second link is also showing Salesforce on the top. Third link, I'm scrolling down. Do I see Salesforce CRM anywhere? No, right? I close it. I go to the fourth link. Yep, I see Salesforce here. It's there in the top 5, right? I go to the fifth link. Do I see Salesforce? Yes, I see Salesforce here. Oracle 84, right? Microsoft 82, score. Salesforce 80, SAP 78, Oracle Siebel 79, right? Next, I go to the next link. Scroll down. Do I see Salesforce? Right? This is talking something else. So let's close it. Next link. Let's go to the next link. Do I see Salesforce? I'm scrolling down, right? Third capsule. I'm not able to see all the small CRM it's showing up. Okay, let's go to the fourth link. I'm just opening one by one, right? To see what, right? Okay, all smaller one. Next, let's go here. Top CRM software, right? Yes, I see Salesforce. Fourth place. Okay, let's go to the next link. Do I see any application? Yes, I see Salesforce on rank 1, category enterprise, high-end application, best in class, best CRM vendors in the market. Oracle is rank 2, NetSuite rank 3, SAP rank 4, Microsoft rank 5. So you can see, okay. So Salesforce is on the top. Next, I go to the another link. Salesforce is rank 4. Next link, right? Maybe your screen might be a little bit flickering, right? Okay, I see here, you can see the screen. I'm a little bit zooming in, right? Salesforce is the leader, top, followed by Microsoft, then Oracle, and you have the SAP as a contender, SAP CRM, Oracle CRM, right? Siebel CRM, Oracle on-demand CRM, whereas Salesforce is the leader. Next, let's go. What are the, okay, let's scroll down, right? These are all nonsense. I don't see anything. So let me go ahead. The last link that I have on the page, you can see that Salesforce is on the top. Nearly 20% of the market is today with Salesforce. 20%, it's a big share, guys. So many CRM are there. Out of that, 20% of the market is today Salesforce. So you can understand that all the link I'm opening, other than 1 or 2 links, every link is telling you that Salesforce is the number 1 CRM application in the market. You can go to the page 3, page 4, page 5. You can do your research, right? That's the reason I told you that I'll be showing you right on the screen. Google is not my father's property. So you can just go ahead and search, right? Okay. Now, if I go to the salesforce.com website, SALESFORC, Salesforce, right? www.salesforce.com/India, you can see that it tells you that it's the world's number 1 CRM solution. I didn't came to this website first because everyone can say that I'm number 1. What's a big deal? It's your website. You can say, see, help your business to grow with the world #1 CRM. That is the reason that I went to Google first. I've checked the first 2 pages. You can check all the pages, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you will see that you will get convinced that Salesforce is on the top. Now, after completion of this course, will I get a job? Which are the clients? What are the projects I have in the market? Which are the big companies using Salesforce? I'm in US. Do I have any scope there? Which are the companies in US using Salesforce? So let's go ahead and check this out, right? So I will go ahead and I will say that, right? SALE, Salesforce, customer success story, customer success stories, right? Salesforce, customer success stories. Let's see which are the big customers today. We have Salesforce, right? Customers, right? We will scroll down and we will see, right? Which are the companies? You can see y-axis, right? I will go ahead and you can see that these are the customers. KFC is using Salesforce. Kentucky Fried Chicken, right? All the counters worldwide, their outlets are running on Salesforce, right? I'm scrolling down. C8 Tires is using Salesforce, right? From your bank like Barclays, American Express, right? One United Bank, all these big bank, ANZ is using Salesforce. Your telecommunication partners like Vodafone, you can right click on it and you can open it. United Beverages, Kingfisher using Salesforce. HCL using Salesforce. Jayalakshmi Bank using Salesforce, right? General Electrics using Salesforce. Coca-Cola using Salesforce. If you want to know more about it, you can right click on it. You can DDDC, courier service using Salesforce. Airline industry like Japan Airlines, Snapdeal is using Salesforce. Can you imagine the whole e-commerce portal on Salesforce? Open it. You'll be able to understand how Snapdeal is using Salesforce. A complete case study is available, right? AirAsia is using Salesforce. Scroll down. You name the company in the world, I bet you it's here. They are the client, they are using Salesforce, right? Scroll down, you'll be able to see Virgin America using Dunkin' Donuts, right? Sony using Salesforce, right? Scroll down. You will see from BMW to Ferrari is using Salesforce today. This page will never end. You keep on scrolling down. If I take next hour, NBC News Channel using Salesforce, Godrej using Salesforce, right? You can see that. So I'm scrolling down, right? So you name the company. Today, all of these companies are on Salesforce, guys, right? On Salesforce. Zoom Move, right? And now you might be knowing a couple of them. College of America, if there's an education institution, they're also using Salesforce, right? Scroll down. I'm still scrolling down, right? You can see that these are, right? Click on scrolling more. As I told you, from American Express to ANZ Bank, Barclays using Salesforce, BMW to Ferrari using Salesforce, from Coca-Cola, Yamaha, I'm just naming these. All these big company, Johnson Controls, right? They have Lyft. Whenever you go to, Lyft, every industry, whether it's an airline industry, education industry, right? It is a banking industry, Commonwealth Bank using Salesforce. Your Singapore Changi Airport, right? Using Salesforce, right click. Aston Martin luxury cars using Salesforce, right? So all this, see, I'm opening Coca-Cola. I've opened the case study. We literally have billions. Oh, sorry. We literally have billions of transactions a day on Salesforce, and everything is connected, collaborative, and mobile. Complete case study of the Salesforce. You can see that what they did, how did they implement it, right? You have complete case study. Snapdeal, how did the Snapdeal implement it? With Service Cloud, Snapdeal is resolving cases 50% faster, and the customer satisfaction is up by 30%. Snapdeal, right? Your Singapore airport, we put the passenger, the user, the customer at the center of everything. That's the Singapore airport. Changi airport is Salesforce tools up Changi airport, whatever you say, for first class customer experience. See, now if I scroll down, I keep on scrolling down. L'Oreal, right? Cosmetic product, American Red Cross, Vodafone, you name the industry, as I told you, everybody is using Salesforce, guys. So don't worry about your projects, your future. You can scroll down. I don't want to go down. Philip, Procter and Gamble, Hershey's, they use syrup. Kuala Lumpur Airlines. I have show more, and it will keep on going. Let's not waste time there, right? So you can understand that Salesforce is now ruling the market. That is the reason I ask you that, guys, this is a best course. It's number one and it's ruling the market. Your big customers are with Salesforce. Why Salesforce? The reason is that I'm back to my PPT. You should be able to see my PPT. Salesforce is not only offering a CRM application, along with CRM application, you can see that Salesforce is offering a extended custom application industry solution platform. I don't need CRM. I need an HR software. Don't worry. You can develop an HR solution. My company needs a finance solution. Don't worry. You can build a finance solution as per your need in Salesforce. I need a manufacturing solution, right? I'm a Uber cab. I need a fleet management. I'm a Ola and Uber. I need fleet management. I need to track where my cabs are, how I need to allocate my customer to the cabs. Don't worry. You don't know the software? Answer is Salesforce. You can build an application in Salesforce. Salesforce gives you a complete development environment where you can build a new application as per the industry solution, as per the industry requirement, as per your client requirement. Let's assume that Apollo Hospital wants a software, right? There's a lot of departments in Apollo: gynecology, right? Orthopedic, what else? Ophthalmology, right? Cardiology, neurology, right? Patients are waiting for doctor, right? They're waiting for reports. There's a lot of messy environment in the hospital. Patient doesn't even know, their relatives doesn't know what's happening, right? What is the doctor recommendation, what is the report? They don't know anything. They keep on taking reports, they keep on running here and there. Apollo says enough is enough. I want a software that connects my patient relatives, connects the doctor, connects all the hospital employees. I want a single solution. The solution should be accessible through mobile phone, PDA device, any networking device. I want a solution. Your answer is Salesforce. In the next 2 months, I will be teaching you how to design, develop, customize Salesforce to a custom requirement. If you want to deliver a project to Apollo Hospital as per their requirement, how to do that, that exactly what you'll be learning with me in next 2 months. Your work is to deliver the customer requirement, the client requirement, your project requirement to your client. This is the power. The Salesforce can be accessible anywhere within the hospital. The doctor is driving to hospital, right? He is stuck in his traffic. He can take out his mobile phone and he can start checking what are the appointments I have today. Okay. He can cancel an appointment. Immediately the patient will get an SMS, kick, or an alert or a message on the top of his mobile phone. Your doctor has canceled the appointment. Click here to refund or book another appointment, right? Patient knows he need not to go to the evening 7 o'clock and then wait and then realize that doctor is not coming. All connected together. That's what I'll be teaching you. Whatever you can imagine a client needs. Why Salesforce is number one? Because it gives, you cannot even imagine the solution that it is offering. Once you start working with me, you will understand that why SAP is less and why Salesforce is growing up. Why Sony is top in the television. Everybody is offering LED TV. Why still people prefer? Because quality, because Sony gives you crystal clear picture, crystal clear sound. They're a little bit costly, but you get a quality. Same thing is here. You have other vendors offering CRM, right? This is not only restricted to CRM, right? It is not only restricted to CRM. This is offering you can build any type of application here. You can build a partner application, you can build distributor solution, reseller solution, HR solution, contract solution, supply solution. You are a big dealer like DLF. You are a property management dealer. You want a software, answer is Salesforce. You are a fleet, Ola, Uber. You need a right case management. You have a service centers like Snapdeal, right? People are calling. You're a call center. You need a solution. Answer is Salesforce. Rapid application development. 70% no coding required. 60 to 70% it all customizations, all tools, customization, configuration windows available, and rapid application development. In other words, if you are in Hyderabad, you might have heard about Varun Motors. They are the dealer of Maruti Suzuki. They sell Maruti cars, Varun Motors. You go anywhere, Varun Motors, Varun Motors, Varun Motors, right? Varun Motors decide that tomorrow morning I want an application that connect all my branches across Hyderabad. I want a software in night and night. Tomorrow morning 10 o'clock, I want all of them to be computerized in a single application. Can you do it in an overnight? Your answer is yes with Salesforce. That's what the rapid application development. Business process management, automatic email alert, SMS alert, payment gateway, anything that you want, you imagine it, you can do it. Business intelligence, not only application, the top management requires reporting. I want to know which department I am getting more money, right? Is it the cardiology where I'm getting more income, where my patients are inclined, where I need to put focus? Shall I open a specialty cardiology hospital or a eye hospital? Salesforce will not only facilitate you, but it also gives you an automatic reports. I want my purchase report in every 2 hours. 10 o'clock, I want to see collection hospital wise, department wise. So it will say Apollo Hyderabad, total collection 47,000. Apollo Chennai, 36,000. You click on it, it will show you department, cardiology, 12,000, neurology, 8,000 by doctor. And you don't require a reporting analyst to pull the data, make an Excel sheet and send it. Boom, you can schedule business intelligence built in Salesforce, and I'll be teaching you those. So you will be learning with me development, business intelligence, and all. It is open to integration. You can integrate anything in Salesforce. In other words, this is the perfect cloud development environment available today. The language that we are using is Apex, right? Okay. The whole course is divided into two pieces called administration and consulting and development. For administration and consulting, which is 60 to 70%, you don't require any programming knowledge. Anybody can join, right? And they can look for an admin job, or they can look for an consulting job. They can be a consultant. Development is purely coding. That's where you need to have a little exposure on Java, right? XML. If you have any time in your school days, college days had worked on Java, don't worry if you have not done a single programming. I give you that guarantee and assurance that all the programming you will understand. I will teach you from the scratch. If you don't understand my programming, I will give your feedback. 100% fee refund. Any given time, if you feel that you are not aligned with my subject, you're not able to understand, you feel that you're not going in the right direction, just tell me that, hey Rupam, looks like that I'm not going in the right direction, right? I will refund your fee 100%. There's nothing that you attended 50% class and I'll give you only 50% feedback. No, right? I'm working in a real-time environment. This is my part-time income. Remember that. With this income, I'm not making a Taj Mahal for my wife, right? This is just my side income. I have my own dedicated job where I'm earning enough, right? I believe in win-win situation. You win, I win. If that money is not worth to you, then definitely the money is not worth to me, right? So if you are from a non-programming background, don't worry. Have that faith and trust on the trainer, saying that, okay, when it comes, he will make me understand. It is his responsibility, right? How he make me understand is his responsibility. My work is to just follow him, right? So you will be learning administration, consulting, right? Complete consulting I'll be teaching you. So 3 modules you'll be learning here. Consulting, right? These are the paper codes. If you want to do a certification, CON201, right? Administration. I'll be teaching you in-depth administration, right? With advanced administrations, with the database, security concepts, I'll be teaching you. Development. Close your eyes. I'll be teaching you. I'll not leave anything in the development. Complete in-depth development with Apex, Visual Force, classes, triggers, Patch Apex, Schedule Apex, right? Controllers, DMLs, SQL, SOSL, SOQL, right? You will learn everything here, right? Including OOPS concept. I'll be teaching you advanced OOPS concept like, you know, polymorphism, encapsulation, inheritance, right? Abstraction properties. You'll be learning those concepts also with me. Integration. I will just give you an overview what the integration is, how it works, because integration is for experts, those who have already worked in Salesforce, and now they want integration with other application. That's another 2 months class separate. This is not a part of this course. If somebody is giving an integration in 20 days, please do not join there. Integration is a 7,000 page document. Nobody, even a goddess Saraswati, cannot complete that within 20 days. So don't trust fake promises in the market that on 3,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees, we will give you integration in 20 days. All these are fake promises. Believe me, guys, I'm not routing you to a wrong path. Trust me, right? You join my course, you don't join my course, but don't waste your time and money in fake promises. If you join this course, what you're going to get there? The first thing is that live system exposure. I'm a real-time trainer. I'm working in a real-time environment, which I'll show you now after I close the recording, because that part I will not record. So after the recording is closed, I will show you whether I'm a real-time or not. I'll show you my works, my couple of synopsis of a project, not 10 years back, live from today. Last 7 years we'll go back and we'll see that whether I'm a continuously working or not. Live system exposure, right? You'll get exposure. Real-time projects on demand. If you want to work on a project with me, let me know, right? We will. We will have a resume building class, 500 interview questions, right? 5 GB of real-time videos. All the classes will be recording and it will be uploaded to the Google Drive, right? I will be uploading this to the Google Drive. And in the Google Drive, right, all these videos you will get, right? So Google Drive. Let me go there. Google, Google Drive, Google Drive. So all your classes will be recorded and I will be sharing your recording with, right, you on the Google Drive. Let me see. This is not the one. Okay, let me go there. Right. Now you can see that the recording of the previous classes, some of the classes, right? I-78, I-80, I-81, I-80, ON82. You will be the 83rd batch. I keep on deleting the videos. Always I keep last 4 batch videos. 78, 80, 81, 82. Let's open the 82 video. All these are videos. You can see that. Admin. These are my recordings, right? Classes, right? You can see. I'll share the previous class videos also so that, you can see object oriented, right? Workflows, buttons approvals, right? See that development, CSS4. See, we are doing some development. You want to see the development class, right? It's to, why can't I watch online? Like, so, right? We, all these classes will be recorded. You can see that these are complete recording, Salesforce recording, right? The demo class is also there. See, SFDC demo 82. So all your classes from A to Z, from today's class to the end class, everything will be recorded, and you will have a lifelong access to this. You will have a lifelong access. It's not that after the course is over, I'll remove the access. No, you would be able to access these videos whenever you want, so that even after the class, if you feel that, oh, Rupam did something on the class, I don't know what he did, because many a times you will forget, you can refer these videos. The videos will be available within 24 hours of the class is over, right? The videos will be available, right? So these are the videos. You can see that Ajax programming, Java programming, Ajax 1, Ajax 2, right? Why it's not playing, I don't know. Okay, play. Say now it'll start playing. Oh, it says download. Okay, anyhow, so you will get a complete, right? Next, mock interviews. If you join my class, there'll be 2 written exams. After each module is over, you will be writing the exams, right? I'll send you the paper within 3 hours. You have to send me the paper back to my email address. It's an open book exam, right? I want to see what you're doing, how you're progressing on each topic. The exam is not to check your performance, it is to check my performance, how well I'm teaching. Soft copy of the documents, right? I will also provide you a lot of integration documents, on demand, right? The course material, subject material, you will get a soft copy which is written by me. Any type of certification if you want to do, right? Let me know. I will help you on the certification also. So you will get a complete assistance of certification wherever you are. You are in US, no problem. I will make sure that you complete your certification sitting there. Job reference, yes. I am working in a multinational company. I have a lot of contacts. I will be marketing your resume if you're within India, if you're in US or in UK or in Australia, in these 3 locations only, I'll be able to help you for your job. If you are outside other these 3 locations, sorry, I might not be able to assist you here because I have contacts only in these places, right? So, any question? Guys, I'm giving a pause here. I'm leaving the forum for you now for a questions. Shoot. Vijay, go ahead.
Yeah, Rupam, okay, this was very good brief, not the brief, explanation on the Salesforce. Yeah, that's good to hear. As a market leader, as you said.
Right.
The only my doubt is like why, I mean, so far what I observed, I mean what I heard, like any client which were using earlier as the package is SAP ERP,
Mhm.
either it is CRM or ECC,
Right.
whatever this is.
ECC platform,
So
it's
now,
right.
now they are switching over to as a Salesforce. Their personal interest, like either
Right.
CRM specific as a Salesforce, if it is
Okay.
finance,
Uh-huh.
Oracle,
Uh-huh.
something like.
Right, whatever
So
it is, they are migrating, right? Tell me. Next question.
migrating. So
Uh-huh.
what is why they are switching to the Salesforce first, especially for the
Let's
CRM?
go. Let's go.
Yeah,
Let's
yeah.
understand this question. First thing is
Mm-hmm.
that, right? SAP is a bulk architectural.
Mm-hmm.
It's a very heavy to maintain. It's a
Mm-hmm.
basic requirement is that you need to have a lot of resources constraint.
Right.
Second thing, Salesforce gives you a lifelong upgrade, which no other application is offering. Let's take simple example of Windows. Today you buy Windows 10. Tomorrow, if
Mm-hmm.
Microsoft comes up with Windows 13, will you get a free copy of Windows 13? No, they will not. They might give you a discount coupon stating that, okay, because you are our existing customer, we will give you a 50% discount, but they will not give you, okay, they give you 13. After that, Windows 16 comes. Will you they give you upgrade? No, not at all. Same way,
Mm-hmm.
your SAP, it started with 6.0, then the ECC 7.0 came up, right? Do you feel that the clients are getting free upgrades?
Not at
But
all.
not at all. But Salesforce says you buy today Salesforce 18. After your grandson joins, take over the company, he need not to pay even a rupee for any upgrade. All the upgrades are our headache because
One
whenever an
time payment.
upgradation, one time payment, right? Actually, no payment. We don't take payment for upgrades. You have
No, no,
trust, you have
no.
invested on, Salesforce solution. Tomorrow,
Mm-hmm.
if Salesforce gets upgraded, it is our responsibility to make sure that your custom solution, your hospital management solution, also get upgraded. You go and see Andhra Bank, SBI Bank, they are still using Windows XP. You go to Indian Railways counter, they are still using a disk operating system environment, right? A black screen. Why are they not using a own new system? Because their solution is made in .NET 1.0, which supports only Windows, not even Windows 7. That's the reason they are not able to upgrade to Windows 7, Windows 10. Today,
Mm-hmm.
CIRS, Central Information and Reservation System, that's the project, right? IRCTC is now struggling hard on a migration. They are beating the bush around. That is the reason they have outsourced this to IRCTC. But their own internal application, their infrastructure, that's the example that I started with, right? They have built and they're not able to migrate, because if they migrate, the application will not work on Windows 7. You can see that you in the past you have seen, if you try to install some application, it's a sorry, the OS is not supported. You might have seen when the 32-bit came up, 64-bit came up, a lot of the application failed. It is a
Mm-hmm.
similar thing, is that whenever an upgradation happen, application fails. Salesforce gives you that guarantee, saying that after 40, 50, 100, 900 years, your
Mm-hmm.
today, tomorrow my grandson join the company, he will say my great grandfather this programming at Apex 42, and today you can see the versioning also. This is what the program he wrote. Because of the upgrade, this is the new generation program. And all these are whose headache? Not a developer's headache. So you need not to reinvest money. Today what is happening, you invest on a solution ₹1 billion, you get the solution. After 5 years your solution is outdated, because a new version comes in. You again need to repump the money, called migration project. In Salesforce, there is nothing called migration project. Migration is only from other application, other solution to Salesforce. Once you come in Salesforce, you don't need to do any upgradation project, nothing. Lifelong, all the maintenance of server, right? 24 by 7 availability is Salesforce headache. You just need to pay for a initial development cost, which you can give it to TCS, Accenture, the what you're learning the courses. After that, you want support to be with us, you can. No, I don't trust Salesforce, I want the support to be within my reach. Then you can give the support project to TCS, Infosys, and you can give a contract. So Salesforce gives you a complete free of mind, which other applications are failing to give so today. This is one of the advantage. Second, as I told you, there is nothing called no, it's not possible in Salesforce. You think I need automatic email alert, SMS alert, immediately payment gateway, anything. I'm just giving an example. You can do it on Salesforce. Plus rapid application development. It's not that this user story or this work will take 2 weeks. It will take 1 month. It will take 2 days. No, faster application development.
Agile.
Right? Agile methodology. There are so many things. If you come in the Salesforce, then because even I have worked in SAP CRM in my past, I'm a SAP CRM trainer. Don't worry about it. In the past, I have taught SAP CRM in version IT, that is in Amirpet. I have taught even Microsoft Dynamics CRM. I still take class on Microsoft 3 CRM I teach, but still I tell everyone that join Salesforce, because I have seen all the three. I have worked on 3 modules. You cannot imagine what the Salesforce is offering. That's the reason it is number one. Clients are not that fool. They are looking for investment, what they are doing, and the return of investment, ROI. In Salesforce, ROI is more than 600%, whereas in remaining business, remaining application is less than 100. You don't get your return. You in turn you need to push the money back,
Okay.
right?
So, sorry to interrupt, Rupam. Like,
Go ahead.
one question, right?
Uh-huh.
As we build or as we map everything in the SAP,
Right,
irrespective, if you don't go with the CRM specific
right,
to any single module, it's
right,
a end-to-end solution. Like from the manufacturing, as you said, as a unit or a enterprise, it starts manufacturing the product and reaches to the customer.
right,
In between too many departments, in the integration of the too many departments, right?
right. Uh-huh.
So that solution can we implement in the Salesforce?
Yes, that's correct.
It's-
Now,
yes, it's
okay,
whether it is a plant manufacturing, plant maintenance, or material
whatever might
management,
be,
quality.
whatever might be your requirement, it can be integration with multiple modules. Now, let's take example of SAP. Each
Mhm.
module is chargeable. You have to pay for
Right,
each module. To
right.
run a business, do you need what do you need? You need all the modules, right? You need HR, you need
Right.
sales and development.
True.
But today
True.
you see that in SAP, you're in SAP. Do you
Mm-hmm.
find give me one single client who has implemented all the modules, complete end-to-end modules? Hardly you can name couple of them. That's to big companies. Small
Mm-hmm.
companies or mid-sized company implement only one module, HR module, sales module. Why? That they don't
Finance.
they don't want other module. They want, but they don't have money, finance to improve. They don't have a budget to implement other module.
Mm-hmm.
Salesforce says that, okay, if I will give you a solution where you implement all the modules. You want HR? You can have integration with HR module. You had finance, you can build a finance here. You need not to worry about buying separate modules, then integrating it, maintaining it, separate development, all separate. Right? HR is a separate consultant, separate development. SD has a separate development, separate project. You see that how much burden is falling on the client, how much money they are pushing to maintain a
Mm-hmm.
solution. But this tomorrow, if you are the company, will you be able to invest this much money for a software? Obviously
No.
not. So that is the reason that today it is a bulkier. The word I'm using in SAP called bulk, right? The correct word is that SAP is a dinosaur, and SAP regretted. I mean, that is not used by me, right? Salesforce has once called SAP as a dinosaur. It just mingles everything, your company, finance, and everything. It will mingle up. It will just gulp it. It will not eat. It swallows money, resources. And we are just a small puppy. Now, what do you want? You want a dinosaur? You want a small puppet or a puppy? That's what. And the work is same. You want to tie a dog, a puppy at a gate, or you want to tie a dinosaur in your gate? You decide. Both are same solution. We will give you more than that. So this is what they called, and SAP strongly objected, and at last Salesforce has to apologize SAP, saying that sorry for the word. But in practical, that's the right word. This is the reason that everybody, all the companies are, whichever might be solution, let it be Siebel, Oracle, they are migrating it to Salesforce. And that's the reason I was going through the companies. Go and see, guys. Just type top customers,
So,
Salesforce
so you,
customers.
sorry to interrupt you. So you mean that extending of an CRM application like SD, all the things will be
Yes,
coming into the picture. So,
that's correct.
okay, I have one more doubt. So
Uh-huh.
you said that Salesforce is going to take care of an migration also. So
Yes.
in that case, for extended applications also they will take care,
Yes, extended
or
application
only
also they will take care. No, extended application also they will take care. Salesforce
okay,
has their own support team, development team, right? So you will not even it's not only that you can get a job in directly in Salesforce, but in also another vendors also who does the development work like HCL, TCS, Infosys. So they will take care of all your extended application. I'm not taking CRM. I want a hospital management 2.0. That's the application name. And I built it on the Salesforce environment, Salesforce platform. It's running on Salesforce platform. Salesforce team will support that.
okay,
Tomorrow, if any
and
upgrade should happen, that will be upgraded.
okay, and normally in none of the project will be open 100% customization. Means 100% standard
You can.
functionality.
That's exactly what the Salesforce says, right?
Okay,
We give you
suppose
a white cloth. We give you a pure cotton, 100% pure cotton white cloth. You want a
okay,
t-shirt? Cut it. You want a shirt? Cut it. You want a bunian? Cut it. You want XYZ, whatever the dress material you want, right? We will give you the scissor. We will give you the machine, right? You just need to get the developers. That's it. You just need to get the tailor. All the
okay,
things we will give after the shirt is ready. Even washing, maintaining, we will make sure that the color doesn't go. Everything is our headache. You have just purchased a cloth and you said my requirement is, right, I want to make a jacket out of it. Maintenance of this jacket. Tomorrow, a new style comes up, a new golden button. Don't worry. We will put that free button in your shirt so that your shirt doesn't get old and you are always in a latest style. Lifelong guaranteed on your latest style. This is
So this
what
will
the
be
Salesforce
done
is
at
all
the
about.
time of an support will be done at the time of an upgrade or
As soon
at
as
any
you
time.
move to the production environment, the day you migrate to the production environment, your support starts immediately. Any type of upgrade supports, right? Your application based support, no. For example, application queries, application, your code defects, no. For that, you need a developer's support. I'm talking about any type of upgrade supports is supported by Salesforce. Upgradation, new feature comes, right? Automatically, that the new feature has a conflict and the rollback has to be done. This all will be done by any upgradation, right? Will be done by Salesforce automatically, and they will take care of all your applications so that they will upgrade the platform and everything.
So when you are purchasing a software, so you need to pay charges for that as well.
No, you need not to pay anything for that.
Okay.
That's the
Uh,
marketing strategy.
And one more thing. So
Uh-huh.
uh, for SAP CRM, we are having a C4C is there.
Mhm.
So what is the difference between C4C and Salesforce? So that is also cloud-based application, and that is
Uh-huh.
also almost, I think it is of light terms. So in that case, what
But
the
still it works.
benefits?
Still, it's what is the base platform? The front end might be the cloud. The base platform is still your ECC 7.0.
No, in
Your base is still.
C4C also we can have a separate. There is no need of an integration with uh,
Mhm,
SAP itself. We can
mhm.
keep idle means we can keep separately. If you want, you can link to SAP also. So in that case, what is the difference?
No, say maybe that might be the new one, which I don't know because 2004 and 5 I was in SAP CRM. 4, 5, 6, 7. Before joining Salesforce, I was on SAP CRM. I worked on SAP CRM 4.0. After that, ECC 5.0, 6.0 was my last ECC that I worked on. Right. So I'm not sure what exactly, maybe because you're from SAP, so that's the reason you're trying to put more focus on it. But only one thing that I can say, right? Today, you tell me that what is the difference between an LG LED TV and a Sony LED TV, right? Tell me the difference. Can you tell? No, but
Qual
it's just the quality. One word answer. That's it. The same thing is here today. Maybe SAP is also the same thing. There also you have a sales, service, marketing. There is a marketing segmentation. Here also you have to do a marketing segmentation. The concept is same, right? The LED concept is same, but when all the TV, but still the quality of how you make the concept live is what matters. Today, whether you take SAP CRM, Siebel CRM, Microsoft CRM, whichever CRM you take, concept is same: sales, service, marketing. These are the three modules. There also you have a marketing management, you have a service center, call center, CC, right? IC, and everything. Concept is same, but how fast, how easy, how user friendly environment you can develop, how this all matters. It's not what you're giving, how you're giving is the matter, and Salesforce is giving in a very simplified manner. Because I've worked on SAP, it's all complicated, right? Yeah, sometimes you have to remember all those codes, right? BP, right? SWD05, right? Maybe I'm just, it's all past that I don't yet remember all those now at this moment, those codes. It's
uh,
simple.
fine.
So Salesforce, yeah, quarterly, whether it will have any releases or how it will be?
It will be Salesforce releases is every 3 months, every 4 months a new version comes. They have
Okay.
spring edition, summer edition, winter edition, right? They will have 3 editions in every 4 months, right? And they will keep on upgrading, fixes the patches and everything. These all we will talk in the class. I will teach you A to Z from top logo to log off button. Even though you say, what is there in the log off button? I just click on log off, it'll log out of the application. No, I click on log off. I want the page to be routed to snapdeal.com. I want the page to be routed to amazon.com. How can I do that? I want a pop-up box to be in the log off button, and then from there I'll give a choice. So everything I will teach you from end to end. There are again three things. Number one, believe in the trainer. It is my plane. I'm the pilot. My work is to safe you land to your destination. If you have, right, you came to me with a destination, so have a trust and faith that my trainer will teach me everything, right? Coming to whether I'm a real time or not, I'm just pausing the recording for a minute, right?
This
Recording.
conference will now be recorded.
So it is the right time to move, guys. And those who are from fresher has trust me, I'm not guiding in a wrong path. It's not because to get a money to make you join in my course. No, I'm not doing it for sake of that. I I don't, because today if I guide you in a wrong path, you will lose the trust and faith not only on the trainers but also in the subject, right? So not. It is a right. Believe me, it is the right path that I'm guiding you to join this course and make your career. I can assure you for the next 10 to 15 years, you need not to change your technology. I don't know what will happen after 20 years, but at least for the next 10 to 15 years, guaranteed you will not repent on the money that you're investing. Plus, after completion of this course, if you put your resume 3+ years experience, I give you an assurance, right, that you will get 10 to 15 interview calls from big companies like TCS, Infosys, Cognizant, CTS, not from sales technologies, C technologies, art technologies, Banjara Hills, right, job technologies, Secunderabad, right, not from small one bedroom flat companies. No, 10 to 15 big companies. If you don't get an interview call, just tell me that, Rupam, I'm not getting any interview calls. Right? Looks like that I'm nowhere. I'll give you feedback. No question asked. My work with my class, you will get 3.5 years of experience, confidence I'll build in you. 3.5 years of confidence. You can easily put 3.5 years that you have worked on Salesforce. That confidence I'll build in you. Right? I will prepare you for the interviews, questions, and everything. I'll share a lot of questions, topics. I'll give you some review, research, exams. That's the reason you have an exams after each module is over, right? If you are not able to clear, right, I'll give you the tips also how to clear an interview, right? Very simple tips I'll give you, right? The first tip is that don't roll out your resume immediately. First, roll out with a fake name. See, Satyanarayana. Take a SIM card from outside, right? Create an email address, satyanarayana009@gmail.com. Roll out a resume with Satyanarayana. Start taking calls in the name of Satyanarayana. You will get 10 to 15 calls. If you get cleared, that's your bad luck, right? But you will be able to get the answers, what they are asking, requirement. Now, after 10, 15 days, 1 month, throw the Satyanarayana resume out, rolled out your genuine resume. There is a 99% chances that you will get the call from the same company, and it will be the same what you call recruitment team who will be calling you. There'll be same questions almost up and down. 90% chances that same question will come and you will be able to answer it. This is basic way to crack a job. That's it, right? At least the telephonic one, right? If it's they say Skype interview, tell your brother sister to sit and take a call, and you speak from the back end so that they see your face, they don't see your original face, right? If they reject, they will reject Satyanarayana. What's going? What's your father's going? Nothing, right? So don't worry about it. They'll blacklist Satyanarayana. So let them blacklist Satyanarayana. We don't mind. So it is just to know what is their requirement is, and based on that, prepare, roll out your fresh resume, jump and hit the job. Out of 10 to 15 interview calls, if you're not able to crack one, then I'm very sad to say that either you're a waste fellow or I'm a waste fellow. Either any one of us is waste. Either as a trainer, I didn't teach you anything. I just did a time pass by taking swallowing your money, or you just came for a time pass in my class, just listening and enjoying. I want you to hard work. If you join my class, I'll give you homeworks. Every 3 days, I will check your homeworks, right? I will take left and right, guys. Remember that if I don't see your homeworks coming up, I want to see your effort. If you're not able to do so, tell me that, Rupam, I tried. This is what I tried, but I'm not able to do so. I'll be more happy. But if you don't try, I don't see the effort in you, please do not join my class. Just otherwise, tell me in front, in advance, well in advance. My father has a great money left for me. I just came for a fun here in the class, so don't even count me. I will not count you in my class. You are not here for a subject knowledge. Tell me, are you here for a subject knowledge? No. Everybody is here to get a job. You want to get a job here. That's the reason you're here today, right? So hence, the main aim is to get a job, and that's to a good career job. So we need to achieve that together. Come up with doubts, go back, do a research, and come back. Right? Anyhow, by the way, please start pinging your typing your email address in the chat window, guys. Right? Uh, just start sharing your chat window, email address in the
Just I
chat window.
have one
Yes,
more small doubt.
yes, please.
Uh, Anyway, you are having a background of an SAP CRM.
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
So, what will be the challenging for us to learn Salesforce? Like whenever you teach, we will always think in SAP CRM point of view itself.
Right. That
So,
is
in that
exactly the
case,
challenge. That is the only challenge, that you will be trying to explore the things only with your SAP brain, right? You have to go beyond than that. You will try to compare. Don't try to compare that this I can do here. It is all doable, but the way you do is different. So you have to come out. See, to reach Delhi, there are a lot of ways to go there. You might be knowing via Nagpur and Bhopal and Jhansi, but there is alternate route also which is very good, right, which you can reach faster. But still you will say that no, because you know that route well. You will say no, I don't want to go in unknown route. That hiccups that you have to come out. You have to come out from that. You should be ready to accept new routes, new way of doing things, right? So that is the first thing. You have to come up. Second thing is
okay,
that your existing knowledge is very good. Try to use the concepts. Take only the concepts, not how the way the concept is implemented. Don't look on the implementation part or the execution part. Concept, you need to understand, match the concepts. This is what I tell you. And by the way, those who are getting late, I request you to please ping this. We will be starting the class from tomorrow, right? Same time, 9:15, same link. So need not to worry about the link to get changed. The link will change in every 2 weeks. So I will inform you the new link. For the next couple of days, I'll be sharing with the course syllabus sheet after this class with the fee details and everything, right? With if you are directly coming to this class, you can contact me, or you can contact your administrator if you're coming via administrator or someone. So please contact them, right? Standard fee, don't think that I'll be charging someone less, someone more. No, it's a very standard fee, right? And I'll be charging you reasonable, guys, and I bet you that after the class is over you will not regret or repent on that, right? So that's
And
it.
one more
Yes,
small thing. Can
Rupam,
you
how long
work
the
on
duration?
it's a 2 months course, Monday to Friday, every day, 1 hour to 1 hour 15 minutes, right? Monday to Friday, Saturday and Sunday,
And
optional or
and
occasionally I'll take.
okay, and the practice wise is it's a open source, right? I mean, in
Open
the
source,
sense
I
like
can give you, yes, I can give you, I'll tell you how to create an account and everything. That all is my headache. Your work
okay,
is only to come with a fresh mind and be regular. If you have any type of planning to go to your native place, your akka wala, baba wala marriage or something like that, right? Please do not join my classes. I don't want to hear any nonsense reasons that you're coming up, right? I'll be regular candidate. You'll not say that today there is a class. There's nothing called, tomorrow there is a class or not. There's no question on it. There is a class. That's it. If there is no class, I'll inform you well in advance, and that's too a week ahead, saying that on next Thursday there'll be no class. Otherwise, every day morning you get up, there is no thinking whether today is a Bharat Bandh, today is a, this happened, that happened, there's a class or not. No nonsense. Every day there is a class, Monday to Friday. Without closing, you have to join the link at that time. Keep on checking your emails because the link will change in every 15 days, 14 days. That's it. Homeworks, be regular. Have a doubt, raise in the next class. If you want, we can extend the class and we can clear your doubts. No problem. Right? Ask more questions. Practice. Explore Google. See what is there. Say that, Rupam, this topic is not covered. I see in a Google. Can you please give me some more insight? I'll be more happy. Open your eyes, nose. Bug me, kill me. Take the knowledge from me.
One more small
Go ahead.
information
Yes.
uh, or small help. You
Go
have
ahead.
worked on Microsoft. You have worked on Microsoft, SAP CRM, Salesforce.
Uh-huh.
Suppose if I'm not sure whether you have worked on other things also. Suppose
No.
if any challenges or any comparison or any features which are not there in other things.
Guys, I will give you a complete comparison. Don't worry about these.
Okay, okay,
These comparisons, I'll give you the complete white sheet, right? The
okay,
fact sheet, right? Tomorrow you tell me what do you need, I will give you, right? I have been in Salesforce for long, guys. So you will get the complete fact sheets, right? What this is, comparison between SAP to this, Siebel to this, a complete documents I'll share. What are there in this? You can see that. I'll give you a checklist comparison. How you forget about all those things. That is not your
okay.
right. So all these you will get it, right? Including your planning tools. I want to become a solution architect. How should I go? What are the Salesforce practices? How they do that? Right? Tomorrow I should be showing that I'm a real time. So I should have some type of exposure, some real time questions. Everything you'll get it from me. So don't worry about those all, right?
Oh,
All I'll equip with a real time behavior, right? Salesforce how should you behave in the first day? What are your day to day work in the first day? So that if they ask you a question, tell me how do you get your works? Everything. I will show you practical, whatever I'm doing, replication will be done there. Impersonation we will do, and you will get everything, documents, lot of tons things you'll keep on getting from me, resumes, latest resumes, and I'll share 20-30 resumes to you. Check it out, whichever is nice, pick it up, merge, start working on resume now itself. Whatever it is, we will be on a full josh. That's the thing, right? Something like how is the josh?
Mm.
Yeah, Rupam, I have one
Yes,
more doubt.
go
So,
ahead.
it's simple doubt. So, actually, I'm not for IT background, so I'm a qualified mechanical engineer, so I'm nowhere related to IT. So,
Don't
I'm
worry.
totally,
Yeah,
I'm
as
new
I told you,
to
the
IT.
Salesforce is also mechanical. You can see that from Ferrari to BMW, all manufacturing companies are also on Salesforce, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So,
So,
so
I have a
even
question.
if you're from mechanical, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Go ahead. First, your question. Go ahead.
Yeah, yeah. So, I just want to know, does this Salesforce involve any programming in this, or
Yes, we
little
do
bit?
have a programming. You have an Apex programming, right?
Oh,
For
okay, okay.
mechanical, how does the mechanical suits here? You can create a whole production as well as designing your mechanical designing, car designing and everything, car component designing and everything. You can design those in CAD, but all the related information you can store in the Salesforce solution, so that this can be easily be shareable across the different mechanical planning team across the globe. Let's take example of BMW. They have their R&D department across the globe, so they need to share their plans, their designs, their structures. All they do it on the Salesforce. So you can, for that you need to understand. You need to have a domain experience of mechanical. Definitely, I don't know what they need. Tomorrow, if they come to me with their needs, it will be quite difficult for me to understand because I'm not from a mechanical engineering background. They will talk about a lot of things which will bounce my head, right? So domain specific, you can also take it. However, right, if you are good in if you are good in this, what you call uh, the software technology, it does hardly make a difference you're from mechanical or from electrical, right? Today it's just a BTech engineer. You can see that environment here, right? You need to have a certification because if you're in US, that's counted. So if you have a certification, then in that case, this would be a great help for you because I will tell you how to connect your mechanical background with this, right?
Yeah,
It is a right, move
yeah,
it. I mean, once you join a mechanical branch and everything, later you cannot shift. Now it's a starting of your career. Shift to, don't go to Detroit and get your all the motor companies there. Don't go there. Look for Chicago and everywhere. I can assure that you will get a job. Don't worry. In my past, I have a chemical engineers also placed, right? I have all sort of engineers. You will be the
Uh,
82
uh,
batch,
uh,
unofficial.
okay. Yeah,
Correct.
so
Rupam, how much? Go ahead, go ahead.
No, no,
yeah,
you go ahead.
actually,
You have it out.
Okay, yeah. I am totally new to coding. So how much
I
percentage of
told you
coding
that
is it?
you don't worry about your coding.
Okay, okay.
If you go ahead and see the YouTube videos on basic Java, JavaScript, and Ajax, that'll be great. If you have non-programming background, I will give you that assurance that you will be able to understand. See,
Okay.
what is a programming? It's a language. আমি এখন যদি বাংলাতে কথা বলি কতজন এখানে বুঝতে পারবে? Tell me, I spoke something in Bengali. Did you understand anything?
No.
Why? Because you don't know it,
Yeah.
right? ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏదైనా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తే మీకు అందరికి అర్థమవుతుంది. How many of you understood? Almost all of you.
Everyone.
Yeah. Everyone.
Because you know the language, you know the words, grammars, dictionaries. It's there in the same way. Coding is a language, right? It's something like learning English, Hindi, Java. For me, it's all same, right? There also you have a grammars called syntaxes. You have a words, right? If I scold you, "Arey pichoda," right? If I same scolding, if I do in Bengali, will you understand? No. But if I say in Telugu, you will understand because the words are there in your brain, right? You know those words. Language is all same. It's not rocket science. You have to join those words, and system has to understand. If you use some grammatical mistake, system will throw an error saying that line number 42, right? Exception error happened because you have used an extra bracket. So you should know where to use what. That's it,
Oh,
right?
okay.
And I will teach you that from the basics. So don't worry about it.
Okay.
Guys,
Rupam,
everybody has
in the
pinged their email address, by the way. If you have not, then please ping your email address on the Skype window, right?
right.
Sorry,
Rupam,
go to main window.
in the
Yes.
complete 2 months, you will be teaching. Explaining all the functional as well as
First three
the
weeks,
technical
first
part
3 weeks,
also,
I'll give
right?
you the breakdown. First 3 weeks will be your consulting and admin. 21 days consulting and admin, right? 21
Mm-hmm.
days to 1 month, and next 6 weeks it will be 2 months, 2 weeks, 2.5 months course, right?
Mm-hmm.
So next 6 week, 1.5 month, it will be on programming. So we
Okay.
will talk 1 month on this one and remaining 1.5 month on programming, because half
Oh,
month is to 15 days is to pitch the basics, right? How, what we will do a small level programming. Don't worry, greater than 2 number, greater of 3 number, sum of a plus b, area of length and breadth. Where in Salesforce we will do, we will put a box there saying that please enter the length 5, please enter the breadth 6, right? Now how do you want to calculate button, or you want on what event you want it to display the result? You want a pop-up, you want to display the result here, you what do you want? We will do those small school level basic programming, right? We will start with that so that you get a confidence on the programming that okay, this is how it is done. And then we will go to the higher programming. I will take real-time user stories from the project and I will implement those with the architectural diagram. I will draw the diagram in front of you that this is what I am going to implement. And then I will start doing the pieces of the programming one by one by one, and I'll be joining them saying this is how you have to do in the real-time environment, right? A lot of brainstorming sessions I will do. So don't worry about it. All these you leave on me,
okay.
right? See, guys, you have a fees guarantee program, right? Which trainer is giving you a fee guarantee program, right? And that's too after 60-70% of the course. If you say that no, it's not, it's all bouncing, right? You have a good chance to learn for free, right? So what else you want? If you are not able to learn, maybe you might be losing a time. That's only a loss. Otherwise, financially, you're not losing anything. I'll refund your money fee back to your account directly. And IMPS credit, which happens how much? Not in a fraction of seconds. So it's not that you have to wait for the money also for ages, right?
So is there any
Oh,
chance we can still say that we can still say that we didn't understand though we understood to get our
that
money
I,
back?
100%. That I leave it at you. I mean, if you feel that you need to do so, please do so, right? These all are on ethics, and
Ethical,
I
ethics,
I told you
ethical.
I use the one word called trust and faith. You need to have a trust and faith on me, and I'll keep a trust and faith on you.
Yeah, I
If you
was
say
just
that you're not able to no, I know that you're just understanding. So completely, I will go by your words. If you say that you're not understanding, I'll not even ask you a question which topic you didn't understood, why not, why this. No question asked, right? So There's nothing that I need to investigate on what is not making it understand. Call it out. If I'm teaching faster, every day you will hear this from me. Ask the questions, guys. Right? If you don't understand, raise it. I will teach you 101 time to make you that concept under understanding. Class says 2.5 months. You can last the course to 3 months, 4 months. That all depend on you. I don't have a time hurry up in teaching. I take yearly 2 or 3 batches only. I don't take ample batches. I give ample time to student for them to understand rather than completing the batches and then taking another for the money. No, right? So the way this Janga Reddy and other people have referred you, why? Because I gave a quality. That's the reason they have referred you. The similarly, you will be referring someone, right? And my classes goes on reference. That's it. Institute I go and teach. That's a separate story. But remaining online are all reference based. That's it, right?
Yeah.
So that's it, guys. It's
Yes,
11
yes.
o'clock. I need to go to office, man. Right? So
Everyone, myself also, I have to.
I'm worried. I'm seeing the clock here. Right? So
Yeah, yeah.
tomorrow,
Mhm.
9:15 a.m. sharp, we will start.
O-
Please make sure that you
Okay.
are available. Right? A couple of classes you enjoy, free classes. I'll send you the fee details. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Enjoy the free details and
Mm-hmm.
let me know if you have any constraint. Those who have a constraint, they can pay me partial also. They can pay me in 2 installments because I do understand that everybody has their housing loans and everything, financial constraint. I do understand. So you can pay me on an installment basis also, 2 months installment. So as soon as we complete the first module, after 21 days, I'll give you a reminder. Next month you can pay monthly also. You can pay me, right?
Okay.
So no issues. That's it. Have a nice and wonderful day, guys. Right?
Yeah.
Nice talking to you.
Thank you all.
Right. Let's
Thank
meet
you.
tomorrow. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.